So who are going to use VPN? What can a VPN do for you as an application? If privacy is important, then you should use VPN every time you connect to the networks that is internet. Okay. This VPN actually runs in the background. So once you run this VPN, virtual private network, you're browsing, chatting, gaming, downloading, everything can be done because this VPN is working on the background. So first thing, it hides your IP. Second thing, the data is encrypted, and this encrypted data is not even known to your ISP. So if you are traveling, you are relaxing, you are using the public Wi-Fi, you are gaming, you are sharing your file, or even shopping. So here the basic concept is that you want to be safe and secure from the denial of attacks, from the eavesdropper, from the public, from the government, from the people who can harm your data, who can use your IP to do something wrong with you. So all these can be done through VPN. You can be hidden. For example, ABC you are sending, it can go as $_hash, so your data is encrypted also.